The Liberal Studies program is our latest BA at Ontario Tech University. It's housed in the Faculty of Social Science and Humanities. In understanding the distinctive opportunity that this program offers, it's helpful to look at what our existing programs are. So we offer criminology and justice, communications and digital media studies, forensic psychology, legal studies, and political science. Now, each of these programs not only connects to a changing, demanding professional domain, it's also a rich area of teaching, research, and scholarship. And so in developing these 5 different programs, the vision of Ontario Tech University was to engage students in opportunities for intellectual growth and at the same time employment preparation. So liberal studies builds on that same philosophy, but what it does is it offers you the opportunity to direct your own undergraduate curriculum by choosing the courses that you find interesting and the ones where you want to learn more about the world. So in this sense, it's both student-directed and curiosity-driven. We hope that this will be a way to fuel your own individual curiosity and to find a path that you can continue to blaze on your own as you head out to confront challenges in the world. So I would encourage you, if you're interested, to please come and visit our campus during our open house. You can meet professors, you can get to know some of your fellow prospective students, and also speak to students who have attended Ontario Tech University and get a sense for the vibrancy of this institution and the opportunities that come with pursuing this dynamic degree.